This lecture is called It's Not Just About the Content, It's Also About the Business. In this masterclass, we will look at the key elements in the journey of successful course creation that often gets overlooked, which is the importance of marketing and sales. You might be passionate about a rough course idea or topic that you have in mind, spending days and nights perfecting your content, structuring lessons, fine-tuning your teaching methodology. And that's great, and it's certainly important. Actually, it's crucial, of course, for a good product. But there's an equally significant question you need to ask yourself. How am I going to sell this course? The sad reality is many course creators dedicate weeks, sometimes even months, into building their courses, only to discover that the customers aren't lining up as expected. They have this fantastic product, but no strategy to put it in front of the right people. And this is where mastering the art of marketing and selling your course comes into play. In our masterclass, we don't just focus on building a course, we focus on building your course business. You've heard me say it in the previous 2 lectures. We are going to cover all aspects that make a course business successful, including how to market your products. And I say this on purpose. Your course is, of course, your product, and I'll explain more about that. How to set up your sales channels and sales funnels. And ultimately, how to ensure your course reaches the people who need it to transform their lives. You might be feeling overwhelmed at this point, especially if you're new to the world of digital marketing and sales, and you've never heard about a sales funnel or a sales page. Regardless of your level of experience or tech knowledge, remember that every expert was once a beginner, and I was once where you are today. And if I can do it, you can do it. The truth is, creating a successful online course is as much about understanding your audience and the market as it is about creating high-quality content. It's about combining your passion and knowledge with effective business strategies to create a course that not only impacts lives, but also brings you the financial success that you are looking for. So, as we move forward in this exciting journey, let's make sure we have all our bases covered. After all, we're not just course creators, we are entrepreneurs, we are strategists, and overall, we are problem solvers. And I promise you this, you can do this too. So fasten your seatbelts as we navigate through the exciting landscape of marketing and sales, because our ultimate goal is to ensure that your course, your masterpiece, shines brightly in the big online learning universe. I hope to see you in the next lecture.